Australia, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. We will be having a very adventurous trip, so yeah, watch out for the upcoming videos. But for this one, we will focus on Brisbane, and Australia is now country number 113. I arrived this morning, took the air train from the airport to Central. This return ticket cost me 20 Australian dollars. Yes, the train into the city took about 20 minutes, and I have checked in to Ibis style on Elizabeth Street, and I will give you a room tour. And the most amazing thing, which I wasn't expecting, is that I have a river view, and you can see the famous like outside beach pool area on the south bank, I believe that is. So yeah, really amazing surprise. Today we are heading out on a day trip from the city, so we're going to Stradbroke Island, and you can do it independently, but today I am joining a tour. After a 40-minute drive outside of the city, we have now made it to the harbour, and at 10 a.m. the ferry leaves to North Stradbroke Island. We have now made it on to the island and started to walk a loop, and our first stop where we could see the main beach, several kilometers long, really beautiful beach, and the sea is very rough. Unfortunately we can't see any whales because whale season has already passed, but we have spotted some turtles in the sea.
When I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night.
We have now completed the walk around this part of the island, which was very beautiful. And today is a very, very hot day, so we didn't spot so many kangaroos. We saw 3 wild kangaroos, but still it was really amazing because for me it was the first time I saw a kangaroo in the wild. So that was really cool, and we got to see one big male as well. So really nice. We haven't spotted a koala yet. We maybe will do that later tonight, and then we also spotted some turtles in the sea as well. And now I've just finished some lunch, and we are going to head to the beach for the afternoon. And yeah, the waves look very strong, so let's see if we go in the sea or not.
Look deep into your eyes.
We have now made it to Cylinder Beach, and as you can see, the waves are quite strong, and apparently the current is also very strong. So there's actually only a very, very small part of the beach where you're allowed to swim, where there's like a lifeguard or where it's considered safe. So that's why I won't be jumping in the sea today, but either way it's a really beautiful long sandy beach. So still really, really amazing, and a nice cool breeze in this very hot day. So yeah, still really, really nice.
And I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your.
So this morning I have made it a bit outside of the city to the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. There is a bus going here, but you can also take Uber. It's around 30 Australian dollars, and it takes around 20 minutes. and here you can have a upfront experience with a koala, which we'll be doing later, and they also have different kinds of animals. And right now we're in this part where the koalas are, and of course, knowing the koalas, they are sleeping, and as you can see behind me, we have one here, and they're so cute.
Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes.
Really cool because they have like a kangaroo feeding area, and as you can see, we have the kangaroos right behind us here. You can buy some kangaroo food and feed, so also you can get very close up and have interactions with them.
He's a boy, so you can tell the difference between the boys and the girls. Jester has a massive brown patch on the front of his chest there, so that's the scent gland. So only the boys have that, the girls don't. That's why they're also a bit smellier than the girls. So they'll rub themselves all over the tree to mark their territory and also attract the female.
And how long do you usually live for?
In the wild, around 8 to 10. Sanctuaries like this around 12 to 15. So our oldest boy right now is 17 and our oldest ladies are currently 18.
Well, he's awake, so that's nice. After visiting the Koala Sanctuary this morning, we have now made it back into the city and to South Bank, and I made it to Oakberry, which is my favorite acai spot, and yeah, this is something I miss in Hong Kong and when I'm in Europe, because you can't really get good acai. So yeah, let's dig into this, and then we're gonna go to the city beach place and see what that looks like. Done a big circle around Brisbane. So after we had our acai, we went to the city beach, and then we walked down to Kangaroo Cliffs, Kangaroo Point, Kangaroo Cliff, and then we crossed the Kangaroo Point Bridge, and after that we made it into the botanical gardens where we are now. So yeah, we've done a big circle, and it's a very nice city just to walk around, and yeah, very scenic and beautiful. So this will conclude my 2 days in Australia and in Brisbane. I hope you have enjoyed, and in the next video I will bring you to country 114, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and see you in country 114.